What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty, and today I am at Donut Friend. It's the Halloween season, October. Today I'm going to try out a pumpkin donut. I've done pumpkin bread, pumpkin rolls. Let's try the pumpkin donut. All right, guys, we've got our pumpkin donut right here. First impressions, man. I like this kind of crispy outside it has. Kind of this almost crumb cake sort of deal. It's got this nice icing. Got almost a tan gold kind of color. Looks like powdered cinnamon's on top. Hey, looks very festive for the fall season. Halloween donut. Appearance is delicious. Looks like any great donut I've ever seen. Looks the part. Let's have a bite, see how it tastes. This right here, this pumpkin donut is fire! Very crispy, crunchy, kind of crumbly, that kind of crumb cake vibe, man. Has that kind of texture of a sour cream donut. Crispy on the outside, spongy, soft on the inside. Icing is delicious. Tastes like pumpkin, tastes like cinnamon, tastes like the fall season, tastes like Halloween, tastes like autumn. Powdered cinnamon on top, man. Thing is decadent, rich, loaded with flavor, but it's that crispiness for me. That's what does it for me. Sometimes donuts can be too chewy, too soft, almost like falling apart, melting in your mouth. This one has a great contrast of textures. One of the best donuts I've ever had. Perfect for the fall season, perfect for Halloween season. Donut Friend is a friend of mine. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.